Today we're going to be talking about the Ryzen 3000 series processors, as well as which mainboard actually needs a BIOS update in order to use them. But first, my name is Steve Smith, this is TQA Weekly, and if you haven't already done so, click the subscribe button down below as well as the notification bell to get notifications of future episodes. And if you want to be part of this channel as a member, be part of our private monthly live stream as well as other perks, click the join button down below. By clicking the join button down below, you will see that there are multiple tiers, but everybody gets to be part of our private monthly live streams. Now, we're going to be talking about the Ryzen 3000 series processors, whether it's Ryzen 3, 5, or 7. We're not going to discuss those into any detail whatsoever today. We're going to be focusing on one specific question. Which one of the Ryzen compatible mainboards require a BIOS update in order to allow a Ryzen 3000 series processor to work? Why? Because in the last week, I've had two people ask me this very specific question, and one had to do with the fact that one needed a BIOS update, and the other one didn't need a BIOS update, but the retailer tried to pretend that he might need one. So, first of all, if you have any wishes or you actually have a Ryzen 3000 series processor, whether it's the Ryzen 3, 5, or 7, you do not need a BIOS update whatsoever if you are going to get or are running an X570 platform. If you are in the market or have a B450 or X470 chipset mainboard, you would need a BIOS update in order to use a Ryzen 3000 series, in which case you would need a Ryzen 2000 series processor in order to get that working. And because I actually do my research before doing these shows, I actually went a little bit further and found that you can use an X370 or a B350 board with a beta BIOS update. But because of the fact that it is a beta BIOS update, I would heavily discourage you from even thinking of doing that, and not all B370 or B350 boards support the 3000 series, and a limited number, which is of course bigger than those ones, of the B450 and X470 boards actually support the Ryzen 3000 series. I've made it easier for you. You'll have links down below where you can actually check which boards are compatible with which. That way you don't have to worry about anything. But definitely, if you're getting an X570 chipset motherboard, you don't need a BIOS update whatsoever. No matter what any retailer says, you do not need a BIOS update for those. Like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com. Go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can do a whole bunch of other things like finding other ways of subscribing, using the search engine to find solutions for other questions, see the show notes, and use the contact form to email me directly. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.